Welcome to my channel. I'm so sorry I did not do well to subscribe, do well to share to your loved ones, do well to share to friends. I'll be talking on how to use cards and end screen on your video to get viewers. You'll be asking yourself, how do I get viewers, more viewers? How do I get traffic? This is just a tips on how to do that. Before this video ends, I'm gonna show you the practical aspect of it. Let me just stop now. After my words, I will show you on how you will do and get your viewers and how you go about it, putting on end screen and your cars on your videos. Now, some people are asking, what is cards? What is screen? Is if you have watched a video that if you are watching a video, you see suggestion, that is cards. You see suggestion, that is cards. Then you, after the end of the video, you will see another video, two videos that is appearing. It might be 4, it might be 3, so it depends on the one you want. So after this video right now, I'm going to be telling you the practical aspect of it, how you go about it, putting on end screen on your videos. You know that end screen gets you viewers. You know that end screen will make your video to go viral. Do you know that end screen will make people to click your videos several times? Maybe they will see the title of your videos and they will click on it. Yes, that is how it goes. Some people on their YouTube channel, they'll put automatic. From there, it will automatically just show your next videos. So after the video now, I'm going to tell you the practical aspect on how to grow your channel. I talked about your using keywords to get more